So you get the warning that your key fob battery is low. What do? So what you need to get ahead of time is a standard CR2032 battery. This happens to be a lithium 3-volt right here. And how do you change it? Well, you don't need any tools, which is nice. You flip this little latch right here. You pull out your emergency key. And you see these two little plastic tabs right here? Take your key and you're gonna stick it in between there like this and just pry. Basically, it's going to pop, there you go, pop open like this. And then here's your CR2032 battery. And we gotta figure out how to get this thing out. Just take a little screwdriver. There it is. Just gotta plop it out a little bit. Put the new one in. Positive side on top. That's garbage. And then this will pop itself back together. You gotta make sure, you gotta squeeze hard. You gotta make sure it pops all the way around. You'll know it's put back together if this key goes back in and it clicks in. If it ain't snapped all the way together, this key won't stay in. So that's it, we're done.